Dive into the digital gold rush. The internet is a gold mine. Seriously, it's booming. E-commerce is exploding and you need to be a part of it. Forget the old ways. Brick and mortar stores are so yesterday. It's time to build your online empire. Get ready to crush it in the digital world. Think about it. People shop online for everything these days. Clothes, electronics, even groceries. The potential is limitless. You have the power to reach millions of customers from your laptop. No more geographical limitations. It's time to go global, baby. E-commerce is not just a trend. It's the future of business. And the best part, it's easier than you think to get started. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, e-commerce levels the playing field. Imagine this, you create a product, you list it online, and boom, people from all over the world can buy it. No more expensive rent for a physical store, no more limitations on who you can reach. E-commerce opens up a world of possibilities. First things first, you need to choose the right platform for your online store. Think of it as your online storefront. It's where the magic happens. There are a bunch of options out there, but let's break down the top contenders. Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and BigCommerce. Shopify is like the Apple of e-commerce platforms. It's super user-friendly, even for beginners. WooCommerce is the DIY option. It's open source and gives you tons of flexibility. Magento is for the big players, the heavy hitters with complex needs. And BigCommerce? It's a solid all-around platform that's great for scaling businesses. All right, let's get down to business. Building your online store is easier than you think. It's all about taking it one step at a time. First, you need a domain name. This is your online address, your brand's digital identity. Make it catchy, memorable, and relevant to your products. Next up, choose a theme that reflects your brand's personality. Think of it as the look and feel of your online store. Keep it clean, professional, and easy to navigate. Now, it's time to showcase your products with high-quality images. Don't skimp on this. Images are everything in the e-commerce world. Make sure they're clear, well-lit, and show your products in the best possible light. Section 5. Secure your throne, integrating payment gateways. You've got the products, you've got the platform, now it's time to get paid. This is where payment gateways come in. They're like the digital cash registers of your online store. Think PayPal, Stripe, Flutterwave, Paystack, Razorpay, or even direct bank transfers. Integrating these gateways is crucial for smooth transactions and, most importantly, security. You're dealing with sensitive customer data here, so security is non-negotiable. Choose a gateway that offers robust encryption and fraud protection. Your customers need to trust that their information is safe with you. Section 6. Mobile first is king. Don't forget your phone users. Here's a bonus tip. Make sure your website is mobile friendly. These days, everyone and their grandma is glued to their phones. If your website looks like a dinosaur on a tiny screen, you're going to lose customers faster than you can say e-commerce. Responsive design is key. Your website should adapt seamlessly to any screen size, whether it's a desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Test it out on different devices to make sure it's smooth sailing for all your potential customers. Section 7. Data security is non-negotiable. Protect your customers. We can't stress this enough. Data security is paramount. You're dealing with sensitive customer information, credit card details, addresses, the whole shebang. It's your responsibility to protect it like Fort Knox. Invest in SSL encryption. This technology encrypts the data transmitted between your website and your customers' browsers, making it virtually impossible for hackers to intercept. Display trust badges prominently on your website to assure customers that their data is safe and sound. Section 8. Ready, set, launch. Your e-commerce journey begins now. There you have it, folks. Building and monetizing your online store might seem daunting, but trust me, it's totally doable. With the right platform, a solid strategy, and a commitment to security and mobile friendliness, you'll be crushing it in the e-commerce world in no time. Now go out there and make it happen. Remember, the digital world is your oyster. Get out there and start building your online empire today.